This is a broom, a mop and a vacuum cleaner all in one. It clears up flour, sugar, chocolate and a lot more, even ketchup. It can clean both solids and liquids. It's great for everyday use, whether in the kitchen or even if we just want to give a bit of shine to a ceramic or wooden floor. If you use water and a bit of floor shiner, it looks really awesome. And it maybe can be used on carpets as well. It's called the iLIFE W90. It's a device that it's a 3-in-1. It has this 700ml tank for clean water and detergent. It has a 500ml tank for dirty water and debris. It comes with a removable rotating brush for cleaning and washing, a charging base and all the accessories needed for charging and maintenance. It has this button here for power on, one for switching between the two cleaning modes, one for self-cleaning. If you press the button on the self-cleaning while it's on the docking station, what it will do is clean up everything that is here on the system with the help of the water that is here on the tank, and it will do a self-cleaning. And one for dispensing the cleaning water, which is this one right over here. It looks like a trigger. It also has this front LED light that turns green when fully charged, yellow for medium charge and red when the battery is almost empty. It's not really lightweight. It weighs 4.5 kilos. If we put half a liter of water here, then we are talking about 5 kilos. But nonetheless, it's really easy to just use it because it has these wheels that will help us not only on flat surfaces but also on carpets. So in this kind of floor it works flawlessly. It has 2 levels. When we press the button, it will start with automatic mode, which is enough for most case scenarios, but on this button here it will go to the maximum. So this is one of those things that when it happens it's really annoying, because we are going to get the brush and the other thing that I don't recall the name right now, water, buckets, and we need to scrub it. So my curiosity at this moment is, will it handle it? So let's go start it cleaning. Let's press on the powerful mode. Let's see how it will behave. Really curious to see how it will behave ketchup or any other liquid. So at this moment I can smell the ketchup, but it's removing. Now one thing that I did notice when I was cleaning the flour is that when we go back it will leave a little bit, then we will need to go front and back once again, so it cleans everything, but working nice. Now let's press the button for the water, which is this button here. Let's press it and remove the ketchup. Now the indication LED at this moment is yellow, which means that it has a little bit less battery, so when possible we should charge it, but really cool, and it's doing a great job. Cleaning the carpet, and you know, this is a full fluffy carpet, and I'm going to regret myself, but this is a bit of sugar. Let's pretend that it's sand or something like that, and let's put it right over here. Just came from the beach. Let's see how well it will behave. So let's press the power on button and automatic mode. Probably let's press the full powerful mode, and let's see how well or not it will clean. Now for the test that I've been doing, it cleans well the normal debris that we have on a carpet, but sand or sugar, it's really annoying, and it's doing a great job. It's not 100% yet, but almost all out, which is great. So probably it's not targeted at being used in this kind of carpet, which is really fluffy and it has a deep hair, a long hair, but it's doing a great job. I would say that I will not be able to remove 100% if it's sand or if it's sugar, but most of it it's capable of doing. And I've been cleaning the normal And what I've seen is that it will remove any dust or any small debris that it has. If you live in a house with kids, then milk on the floor and other liquids is something that is familiar to us all. And that's one of the situations where we just grab a mop and a bucket and that's it. We will spend some time, but we will get it clean. But with this vacuum, it's just a few seconds and boom, it vacuums and washes that part of the floor in just a few seconds. It's really, really comfortable. It has a battery of 3000 milliamp hour, and this means that it will last for about 30 minutes. Now, I've did a few charges already on my test, and 30 minutes is more or less what we will be achieved in a cycle. So if you are wondering if you can do your Sunday or Saturday full clean of the house with just one cycle, it's not possible. This is not meant to replace our main vacuum. It's meant to be in the kitchen, living room, and if we want to shine up a floor, ceramic or wood, but especially to be on a kitchen area where we eat our breakfast, our lunch, our dinner, so that it's really easy to make a repeated cleaning, which is every single day. Something drops on the floor. And if we have something like this, then we don't need to worry if it's solid or liquid because it will pick it up. It's not completely unusable on carpet. It would not be my first choice for a carpet, but if I already have it for the kitchen, living room, and to put some shining on my floors, then if I really need to use on a carpet, then I will be able to do so. To clean it up, it's really, really easy. Now, first of all, we have that self-cleaning mode, which was really cool. It will clean up all the debris here, just send it to the bucket. And then once we need to clean it up, we just need to remove this bucket right over here. It has a filter that we can completely wash it up. We will be able to wash everything up. And on my tests, at least those that I already recorded, what I did was to put them on the kitchen washing thingy, but we need to have in mind that solids and liquids will go all into the same bucket right over here. So if we have a lot of debris, then probably the best idea is to put it on a toilet, for example, and then we will take it to wash it later, but that all the debris will go onto the toilet. Always having in mind that we are talking about organic things like the cereals, milk, ketchup and whatnot. But we will need to pay attention to that because all the debris will be mixed up, liquid and solid. And once we clean it up, we just need to put it back and it's ready for another trip. Hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.